Hey folks, good morning. It is beautiful out today. It's 76, is it 76? I don't know, she won't tell me. It is beautiful out. We're currently in North Wildwood, just hanging out, enjoying the day. Today's one of those days where I'm gonna be doing a lot of recording for my Wildwood website. So a lot of drone footage. We're gonna put together a couple different articles from everything we're gonna film today. And I want you guys to come with me because I know you guys have a lot of questions on how I get my articles together. And when I come down here, I kind of grab as much footage as possible. I'm not going to show it to you yet because actually, you know what? We could, because by the time I put this on, stuff may be online already. But once you guys come with me, hang out. This weekend's going to be fun. We get the Coast Guard Festival this weekend, so I'm excited. Oh, and the great thing is that, you know, Memorial Day weekend's coming up, which means that summer's around the corner, the unofficial start of summer. And so there's no one down here yet. I kind of like that. But let's get moving because we got a lot to film today. Now the downside that Memorial Day is around the corner is that all the lights down here during the winter time, they don't do red, yellow, green. They normally just do blinking yellow and you kind of just keep going. And now, of course, the lights are back to normal. So the first thing that we're going to film is that they knocked down one of our gas stations and one of our old McDonald's. And so I want to get some area footage because right now it looks strange because every single corner now is abandoned and just an empty lot. Which is the first time in a very long time that has ever happened. But let's get in the air. There you go, that's what that looks like. Of course, if you're watching this, of course, these videos and articles are already put up about a few days ago. So it's not new news to you, but at least you get to see the behind the scenes. Of course, we flew over abandoned lots. We never cross streets. There's a lot of rules you have to follow when you're flying drones. But play it smart, guys. Play it smart when you're flying drones. I know I'll probably put up an article later about the rules of flying, just because people come down here and they crash their drones into people's houses. They're flying over people on the beach. Big no-no. Big no-no. But now we're gonna hit a second location on the beach. They're fixing the erosion problem we have down here. So they're trucking truckloads, there you go, of sand from Wildwood's beach all the way to North Wildwood. So we're gonna put together, actually it's 3 days of different filming things because we're filming different parts of it, and because you have to charge the battery, it takes a little while. Oh, these red lights. Love summer, don't like these red lights. Get enough of them in New York, right? Enough red lights in New York. I don't want them down here. Look, I know I'm just complaining for fun. I really don't care, even if there's no one down here. Just like making a joke about it. So at our second spot, we're filming the beach getting replenished by sand. Pretty much what had happened was, all of this are actually back here over this wall was ripped out when we had a couple nor'easters. It just kind of took up the whole front part of the beach. And so they have a bunch of tractors and dumpers, or dumper loaders, whatever you call them, come from all the other side of Wildwood with truckloads of sand after dredging the ocean, and they're dumping it over here. And so we're gonna get some aerial footage. Yesterday we filmed it from the other side and in the halfway point, which was kind of cool to see. And now we're gonna get this end of it, and they're dumping it right now, so it looks kind of cool. Now the wind is starting to pick up a little bit. If it gets a little worse, I'm not gonna be able to fly for the rest of the day. But right now we're gonna take it out into the ocean and kind of get a view from the ocean itself. We don't want to stay on the beach because these things are massive and I don't want my drone coming out of the sky, even though it won't. DJI has very safe drones. But always play it safe. No flying over people, like the rules I talked about before. So let's get this bird in the sky. This is insane, right? Can you believe they're bringing the sand from all the way down the beach all the way over here? It is fantastic, and the weird thing is, or maybe not the weird thing, the cool thing is they're doing this 7 days a week. About a week ago, they were about, what, 5-6 blocks down? they're going to continue this all the way down so that we can have a beach this summer in North Wildwood to hang out on, which is really great. Now we're going to do a couple live streams. I'm not going to include them on here, but we're going to continue with our filming for today. Now this is one of my favorite spots in North Wildwood to hang out at, just because it's so beautiful and the sounds are just fantastic. Gotta show you some of this. This makes you just feel like, if you just close your eyes, it makes you feel like you're in paradise somewhere. Just listen to that ocean roar. It sounds amazing. And I'm getting wet. This is great. I love this. Should we go for a swim? You think Julia would get angry if I went for a swim? Would you get angry if I went for a swim? She says yes. Should we test it? Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Alright, there's a little too many rocks. And I see a metal bar over there. Yeah, maybe not today. Maybe not today. Maybe not today. We're gonna go for a little walk, get a little exercise in, eh? That's
coffee, finally!
That's not exercise.
Yes, it is.
No, drinking iced coffee is not exercise. We drink coffee every day, just adding ice to it. But you can drink it year round.
Yes, you can. I don't drink iced coffee in the middle of winter.
I do. You put snow in it. There you go. It's even icy. Right?
So funny. Not.
So the wind is just at the breaking point where we're not going to fly, but it's going to calm down for 2 seconds because I have faith in it, and we're going to grab these last shots of these crawlers, what you call them, digging up the beach. It's going to be pretty cool. Julie, you want to fly it?
No, I'm too afraid to crash.
I've got hours, hundreds, it feels like hundreds of hours of flying.
You guys, you have to learn how to do this. You can't just buy one and hope that, you know, if everyone can do it, I can do it. You have to get licensed for this.
You can tell that I tell her a lot of things about drones because she doesn't normally come with me on these. But,
I don't. But guys, this is very serious. Like it's not a toy for you.
No, in all seriousness, she's right. She's right. Anyway, let's quickly get this up before it gets too windy, and there's no one on the beach, so that's good for us. But we're gonna fly real quick. All right, we're done. We just got our final shots. Now we're gonna go watch the sunset. We still have 2 hours to kill, but we're gonna watch the sunset. It's gonna be beautiful. Come join us. Well, folks, it's time for the sunset. Let's get moving.